Welcome to the transformative journey of healing from past trauma and revitalizing your social life. In this video, we will explore 6 powerful methods that can help you overcome the lingering effects of trauma and create a positive and fulfilling social experience. By delving into strategies such as seeking professional help, building a supportive network, practicing self-care, setting boundaries, embracing active listening and empathy, and engaging in gradual exposure, you'll gain the tools and insights to navigate your social interactions with confidence and resilience. Get ready to embark on a path of healing, growth, and connection as you reclaim your social well-being. Healing from past trauma in your social life is a gradual process that requires self-care, support, and patience. Here are 6 ways to promote healing and growth in your social life. 1. Seek professional help. Consider reaching out to a therapist or counselor who specializes in trauma. They can provide you with the necessary tools and techniques to address your past trauma and develop healthier coping mechanisms. Therapy can help you navigate and process your emotions, as well as improve your communication and interpersonal skills. 2. Build a supportive network. Surround yourself with supportive and understanding individuals who uplift and validate your experiences. Cultivate meaningful relationships with people who respect your boundaries and offer a safe space for you to express yourself. Connecting with others who have experienced similar traumas can also be beneficial, as they can empathize with your journey. 3. Practice self-care. Engage in activities that promote self-care and self-compassion. This could include regular exercise, spending time in nature, practicing mindfulness or meditation, journaling, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy. Taking care of your physical and mental well-being is crucial in healing from trauma and fostering positive social interactions. 4. Set boundaries. Learning to set and enforce boundaries is essential for your emotional well-being. Clearly communicate your needs and limits to others and ensure that your boundaries are respected. This may involve saying no to activities or situations that may trigger or overwhelm you. Setting healthy boundaries empowers you to protect yourself and create a safe social environment. 5. Practice active listening and empathy. Developing strong listening skills and empathy can enhance your social interactions and deepen connections. Be present when engaging with others, allowing them to express their thoughts and feelings without judgment. Validate their experiences and offer support when appropriate. By actively listening and showing empathy, you can create a safe and nurturing environment for both yourself and others. 6. Engage in gradual exposure. If you feel ready, gradually expose yourself to social situations that may have been challenging in the past. Start with low-stress social interactions and gradually increase the complexity as you build confidence. Remember to prioritize self-care and take breaks if you start feeling overwhelmed. Gradual exposure can help you reclaim your social life and regain trust in social settings. Remember that healing from trauma is a unique journey for each individual. Be patient with yourself and celebrate small victories along the way. If you encounter setbacks, it's important to be compassionate with yourself and seek support when needed. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more content on personal growth and mental health. Also, feel free to share this video with anyone you think might benefit from it. Thank you once again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.